Allah refers to prayer as success. 5 times a day in the adhan. In fact, more, even in the iqamah, in preparation for the congregational prayer. Again, it is named success. You've heard the muaddin say, Hayya ala salah. Immediately after that, what does he say? Hayya ala al-falah. You've heard that? Calling us towards salah and calling us towards falah. Salah is the prayer, falah is the success. You pray, you succeed. You don't pray, you fail. That's how it works. There's no other way. Even if you think you have succeeded, in Allah's eyes it is failure, dismal failure. You might have millions, but in Allah's eyes you haven't prayed, you've lost everything. That's why the importance is given. Imagine, who wants to succeed? All of us. I want to succeed. So Allah tells you, come to success. What is it? The 5 daily prayers. That's what He talks about. Let's learn to develop our hearts to the degree that we love the prayer.